BFF, Madam Sabeli. Enjoy life and stay healthy. Kay bagat kalagas na kita. Keep up your conversations and have fun with it. Welcome to the Bats 80 Senior Citizen Club and cheers on your 60th birthday. Happy birthday. Greetings from Seattle, Washington. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rosabel, my classmate in elementary and high school. May you have many more birthdays to come and good health always. Enjoy your special day today and cherish your senior citizenship.
Hi, Rosabel. Happy birthday. I wish you good health. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rosabel!
Happy birthday, Rosabel.
Hi Rosabel, happy birthday. Take care of your health. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!
Hey, kamu, hey.
Hey! Ikaw muna dyan! Ikaw muna dyan!
Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Wish you good health always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ante. Love you.
Happy birthday! Hey!
Hi, Auntie Rosabel. Wishing you all the best. Happy 60th birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you very much.